Good morning, Alyssia. Initializing 2-ingredient recipe generation application.
What have we got today?
How do you feel about ranch dressing and cayenne pepper?
I don't think so. What about something more festive for the holidays?
As you wish. Initiating holiday ingredient protocol. How about Nutella and almond milk?
Now that's more like it. Initialize a recipe creation. This one is a little too easy. Start by heating your milk in a saucepan over medium heat until simmering. You could use any milk you prefer. Try not to let it boil over. Once it's reached a simmer, add Nutella and whisk. Make sure it is completely dissolved and integrated. The heat will help. Once creamy and combined, serve and enjoy. I love hot chocolate with marshmallows on top, of course. I think we saved the best for last in this mini-series. Holy moly! This is my favorite hot chocolate I've ever had. So much flavor, so sweet and simple. I don't think I could have it any other way ever again. What's your favorite hot chocolate topping? I hope you enjoyed another 2-ingredient takeover in this holiday mini-series. If you want more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. Remember, I have a holiday recipes ebook and you can get 10% off of it or any ebook or package of your choice using the code TAKEOVER at checkout at mindovermunch.com/ebooks. I also have a free 1 and 2 ingredient recipes ebook that you can download in the description of the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos every single week. Have a safe and happy holiday season, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.